Wounded problems for the Mazda yesterday as well.
Yeah, this was a big incident. Rick pulled over on the driver's left there. You can see he stopped the car, got out, made the decision to try to get it back to the pits. Pollicina lost it in the middle of all this disaster. But poor old Rick Shaw, he continued on trying to get back to the pit, and you can see the smoke in the cab, and the thing just gets worse and worse.
Oh, and almost, I'd say, spun on his own oil by the looks of things there, and pulls off to the side of the track and is about to hit the ejector button by the looks of things. No, he's going to try and continue that march back to pit lane as he waits for traffic to go past.
This is the worst fear for a driver, Grant. Fire in any car. Obviously something's not going well, but when he gets it, he's looking for a fire marshal to lob the car up next to so they can help, which he's done. Come and help me. I'm not going anywhere. And then
look under his feet. You can see the flames. You can see the flames engulfing the car. He's out of the machine, which is good news, but that was a very scary incident, as you rightly pointed out. Look at the smoke.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, his decision was probably right to try to get back to the pit or to a fire marshal point. But they're squirting fire. I was watching this and they're going for the engine, but the fire's inside the car.
An unusual situation. You don't usually see the fires start inside the machine.
Tony, how's it going out there, mate?
All right. Some of those